2022 NDC Synthesis Report. The 2022 NDC Synthesis Report was released by the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, ahead of the COP27 that is set to held in November this year. What is NDC Synthesis Report? The UNFCCC's Synthesis Report is an annual summary of countries. The 2022 edition analyses, 166, NDC's, climate commitments, communicated to the UNFCCC as of September 23 this year. This is the second synthesis of countries. What are the key findings of the 2022 NDC Synthesis Report? The report found that while countries are minimizing their GHG emissions, their combined climate pledges could put the world on track for around 2.5 degrees Celsius of warming by the end of the 21st. The current NDCs will increase GHG emissions by 10.6% by the end of this decade compared to 2010 levels. However, this is insufficient to limit the rise in global average temperature to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels by the end of this century. However, this does not demonstrate downward trend required to maintain 1.5 degrees Celsius. The previous synthesis estimated emissions of 54.9 gigatons of CO2 in 2030. If the latest NDCs are implemented, 52.4 GTCO2e of GHGs will be emitted by 2030.